Where are they taking me? If I get killed, and this is the last video that's on my phone, I'll miss you guys. Nothing like some razor wire. Here she is. Not supposed to run. Let's see what we're working with. It's got an open back, a lift gate. All right, first snag, no keys. Steering wheel's locked. Waiting for this guy to come back out here. He said there may be a key for it. But this is a training facility. It's like, wow, there's old houses and buildings are back here for the National Guard. I don't know, but I checked all the other equipment. There's no keys in anything, so I'm guessing maybe they keep them inside then, so we'll see. All right, no start. Plan is we're gonna pull it out with a chain, get it straight, and we'll just winch it right up on here. Come with me, little girl. Come with me. There she is. All we got to do is ratchet or bungee up our binders. Sitting at about 12.8 tall. We're good to go. Winch worked great. I'm very happy with it. Close this door, get some bungees. It's locked open. Let's go.
Think about when you're born into a fire. Let them burn it out. Sell them to the richest buyer. They wanna let the world decay. They tell us lies and fade away, fade away. We feel betrayed. We were raised to lose the race. Wake at the back of the pack, kill it anyway. Listen up now, because we're never dropping out.
All right, next load. This F650 little dump truck. I say little because it's smaller than the other one he has here. This one's off to a body shop, and we swap it out with one at the body shop. Comes back here. And This is a one-way street. We're about to break some laws. I had to drive this thing around the block to make sure I could get around the building. We're down in Virginia, in Manassas. Well, I didn't want to get caught, get stuck in this parking lot. All right, there's the second one. Gotta grab my wheel chalk. Already got her chain down, 4 chains, 4 binders. All right, we're out of here. So I know someone's gonna ask about pricing these jobs, these local jobs. So I like to do, like I'll do these all day long, but I'm not charging by the mile, I'm charging by the hour. And this guy pretty much wanted me for the whole day. Like that step van and these 2 dump trucks are all his. So it's, I do $120 an hour port to port, which means from the time I leave my house to the time I get home is $120 an hour. And why I do that is situations like this morning, I sat there and waited, you know, over an hour for that guy just to get that location, and it's not my customer's fault really, but it's also not my fault. And I'm there, I just can't leave because I'm there, I'm committed for the day, which is fine. You know, it makes it a lot easier when you're getting paid like that, if you have to wait around, or, you know, I didn't know what I was getting myself into with that step van. Obviously I had to hook a strap to it to get it out of a spot to get it on the trailer, so I knew it was that was gonna take time. You know, these dump trucks take a little time to get them loaded, get them chained, and the 650 I picked up could have not started. It's a little older of a dump truck. It's going to get refurbished. He like, I guess they repaint them. They don't really worry about the rust all that much. They just kind of spray them to get them looking okay, because they're just going to go back out and get beat up. It's all just a big landscaping company. Holy crap. Look at this place.